We love Suno AI. Honestly, it's magical. You type in an idea, and 30 seconds later, you have a radio-quality song. The voice is natural, the melody is great. It's near perfect. But here's the problem. When you upload it to YouTube or TikTok with a static image, the algorithm ignores it. In today's world, if the screen isn't moving, people stop listening. So, you need motion. But not just any motion. You need visuals that actually match the story of your lyrics. The problem is, filming is expensive. Locations, equipment, crews, it costs thousands and takes weeks. So today, I'm going to show you a different approach. We are going to take a brand new song we create in Suno, and we are going to use a tool called BeatViz AI. Unlike a generic AI video generator, BeatViz is specifically designed to listen to your song, analyze the lyrics, the tempo, and the mood, and then build a video that actually syncs with your track. I'm going to show you the complete workflow, step by step, to turn a Suno song into a full cinematic music video. Let's get into it. First things first, we need our bass song. I'm over here in Suno AI. For this walkthrough, I want to do something with a very specific vibe. Let's go for a folk country acoustic style track. This should work well for AI video because it relies on storytelling visuals. We're in the custom mode of Suno. For the lyrics, I'm not going to overthink it right now. I'll just go with the auto mode. But I'll tell it to write about returning to a small hometown after years away, dusty roads and sunset. Now for the style of music. I'm typing in acoustic folk country, emotional male vocals, acoustic guitar finger picking, warm atmosphere. Let's listen to what we got.
Gravel pops under worn out tires. Old sign leans like it might give up. Same two pumps at the corner store. Same screen door with the busted hook. Porch light glow on a leaning fence. Mailbox stuffed with the small town news. Your name still carved in the bleachers paint. Flaked and faded, but it pulls me through.
That is perfect. It's got that slow rhythmic strumming pattern. That is going to be crucial because BeatViz will pick up on those guitar transients to trigger scene changes. Now we have our song track. I'll download it and head over to BeatViz AI. Here we are in the main dashboard. It's dark, clean, and pretty intuitive. You'll see a few options here on the left, including a built-in music generator. But right now, we are going to the music video agent. This is where BeatViz is different from other tools. You aren't just giving it a text prompt, you are giving it the song. We have two modes, simple and custom. Let's start with the simple mode. I'm going to click Upload Audio and select our track. Note that you also have the option of pasting the direct link of your Suno song here, without downloading it all, which is a huge time saver. And here we are. We are presented with the waveform of our uploaded song. I can select the 1-minute portion I want to make the music video from. I'll pick this part, right from where the vocals start. Now we describe the music video style we want. I'll just type cinematic and realistic. In the settings, let's keep 720p quality and 16:9 horizontal aspect ratio. Now look at this character button. We can define a consistent character for the visuals. You can upload a character you already have or create one right here. Let's try creating one. I'm going to describe a cowboy-like character and upload an image for reference. Wow, that is so close to what I gave it as reference. Maybe even too close. But it's perfect for what I had in mind. It gave us a full body view, and it's a nearly flawless AI image. Let's confirm that. In the style section, I'm going to go with the realistic, authentic style preset and hit generate. Okay, the analysis is done. The AI has given me 3 creative directions to choose from. Since our song is folk country, I will go with this dust and detail concept. Here is the storyboard. The images are highly cinematic, and we have our character in there as well. So far, so good. Let's give the green light to animate them. When I click the button here called Music Analysis, we can see that the AI has analyzed our song, broken it down into segments, and noted down the pace, rhythm, and emotion. Let's check the clips out. Wow, they look really great. Realistic cinematic visuals with smooth motion. This sixth clip seems to have an issue, but no worries, we can always regenerate it. Much better now. Let's confirm and compose the full video.
Got these second-hand boots from a pawn shop off Highway 9. Scuffed up toes, red dirt scars. Guess they walked through a life like mine. Coffee in a stained old thermos, seat torn on this beat-up Ford. But it turns over every morning like it knows what I'm working for. I ain't rich, but I'm alright. Got a cheap cold beer and a porch tonight. Friends that'll show up in a heartbeat flat. Hand-me-down dreams and a ball cap. Might be low on cash, high on roots, but I walk tall.
The video is aligned very well with the lyrics. It looks like the AI has analyzed the lyrics line by line and generated the frames according to the scene. We do have a couple of inconsistencies towards the end. In one shot, the character is completely different, and we have a POV driving shot without hands. But other than that, this is a solid AI video in my book. The main highlight is that the visuals and movements are aligned with the song's rhythm. So that was simple mode, which is great for beginners. But what if you want full control? Let's try the same song, but in custom mode. This is currently in beta and available for desktop. Just like before, we upload our track, but this time, wow, we are taken into an entire studio interface. If you have ever used video editing tools like CapCut or Premiere Pro, this layout will look familiar. You have a material library on the right and a timeline editor on the left. Here, we can build our video scene by scene. For generating frames, you can choose from advanced models like Nano Banana Pro and Seedream. And to generate video, you have access to major video models like VO 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, and Kling 2.6. And you can use all of them right here inside BeatViz. Let's try creating a visual scene for the very first line of our lyrics. I'm going to type a detailed prompt, select 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate with VO 3.1. Let's check it out. That looks incredible. A low-angle cinematic shot of a pickup truck on a gravel road. The AI captured the vibe perfectly. From here, you just drag that video asset into the timeline editor. You can build your entire song, scene by scene, right on this timeline. You are in the driver's seat the whole time. Once done, you can now download this file, upload it straight to your YouTube channel, and start building your audience. They have a free plan for you to test it out, but the paid plans include commercial rights, meaning this is a monetizable, professional-looking music video created in about 15 minutes. If you're a musician or just looking to create content for your AI songs, I highly recommend giving BeatViz a try. The gap between bedroom musician and professional studio is closing fast, and BeatViz might just be a huge part of that. If you found this workflow helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. I'm testing new AI music video tools every week to see what actually works for musicians and creators, and I don't want you to miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing.